Hi guys, Dami Owen here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are on the streets of Lagos, somewhere in Palm Grove, Lagos, Nigeria. So I want to teach you guys how to make healthy smoothies with just 500 naira. Now I have 1000 naira with me, and 500 naira is less than $2. So I'm going to my fruit person to buy some of my favorite fruits, blend it together, healthy smoothie that you can actually make with 500 naira and you can take for a week, 5 days basically. Let's go guys. So guys, this is my fruit plug. I literally buy most of my fruits for him at very affordable price. I want to buy cucumber. How much cucumber I buy? 200 naira one. So I'm going to buy this cucumber. One is 15 naira. So what I do is that I buy 4, then it gives me 1 extra, making it 5. So if I'm not making a smoothie, I can literally take like 1 every day. So yeah, customer, give me good one. So this is 200 naira. The heat in Lagos is mad. Like the heat is crazy and everybody is sweating. I have to buy this handkerchief. At neighbor's place, I buy watermelon 100 naira and pineapple 100 naira. So my budget, guys, is 500 naira. So I'm going to keep this extra 500 naira so I don't spend. So I'm buying watermelon and pineapple. Your pineapple small, oh. Pineapple, your pineapple is small. Then this last 100 naira, I'll use it to buy banana. Give me a bit of guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, very important. I'm going to be doing a whole lot of awesome content. So we're going to the banana place. Thank you.
Oh yeah, she's coming.
How do people leave their shop and go elsewhere? This Lagos. So, how I'm sitting here over. Hello, let me get there. 200. Hello, ni last. 100 naira. 100 naira. Oh yeah. Hi guys, so I am back home after buying food from my customer. Food worth 500 naira. 4 of my favorite fruits: cucumbers, pineapple, watermelon, and bananas. I actually like bananas more than I like cucumber. And bananas are very good for your body. They help your muscle. Although some people say it's fattening, even though it is fattening, I believe it is healthy fats. Now I'm not a fitness coach. I'm not a farm. I'm not a dietitian that will give you a meal. But I'm just telling you what I do. So it's not like from an expert's mouth to your ears. It's just from someone like you. This is what I do. So I've sliced the first cucumber. I'm slicing the second one. Yeah. So I'm not actually doing like a fine cut because the blender obviously will work for me. So there's no need for me wasting time. So I move on to my pineapples. I like pineapples too. They're actually sweet, and I have a sweet tooth, so I feel it is healthy sweetness. If you're taking pineapples, it's healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Dami Owen. I am from Nigeria, and I talk about football, sports, fun stuff, food like what I'm doing now, lifestyle, everything happening. So you find it on my YouTube channel, everything fun and interesting. So moving on to the big guy here, cucumbers. Cucumbers, banana. So I might just add all the bananas inside.
Yes.
So cutting my bananas. I feel like when you make your smoothie and the banana thing, it's like a natural sweetener. And it just helps like make your smoothie thick. That's another thing. Now I'm not a fitness coach, like I've said before. I'm not a fitness coach. I'm just I'm like you. Yeah, so I'm just trying to do something very relatable. So bananas almost done. They will move straight to blending. I can actually say, for you to know I do this a lot, I can predict that I'm going to blend this twice. Cucumbers go in. So I'm going to get my cold water now. So instead of putting normal water, I have water that is going to be cold already. This is quite healthy, guys. I'm not even going to lie or say it's not healthy. So guys, I just got my cold water now from the freezer. So so my blender is not like a regular blender that you can see everything inside. You just know that you put stuff inside and it's going to work. I wanted to say brace yourself for impact, but I forgot. But you can still brace yourself for impact. Oh, it looks really nice, guys. Really, really nice. So guys, I just got my bowls. They are washed, they are clean. They are some sort of ice cream bowls. So when I get ice cream, most of them I just store the containers. Every Nigerian does this. So it creates some sort of illusion in my head like I'm drinking it. Alright. So I'm pouring it. I detached this one. I want to taste it already. I can bet they will fill this container. I said it, that they will fill these containers, just so you know how often I do this. So I'm just going to cover it. So like I said, you can take this for a week. So let's say this for Monday, this for Tuesday, this for Wednesday. I still have more fruits I'm yet to blend. So this is how healthy this recipe is, provided you have a very good refrigerator or freezer in your house. Trust me. So guys, like I said, the reason why I'm doing this is so you know that you can actually use 500naira to make healthy smoothies. You can take for 5 days to save you cost. So I've already put these smoothies in 3 bowls, 3 ice cream bowls. So I'll put it in my freezer, provided you have a very good storing system, probably your refrigerator or your freezer. Trust me, this is a secret. Yeah, stored Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's make the rest. So guys, because I use this to blend fruits, there's no need for me to rinse it since it's still the same thing I'm doing. Alright, so I'm putting my watermelon inside. Everything watermelon. And one thing I do is immediately I'm done, I rinse. My pineapple goes in next. I'll put the water because the water is actually healthy too. So my bananas, then cucumbers, my cucumbers go in next. Like I said, the reason why I chopped it this way is because the blender is going to do the work for me. So this one goes in my mouth. Cold water is still here. And you can see the smoothie is not even too watery. They are quite thick, so your preference. You can add more water if you like. But since most of these fruits that are here, 90% of them they are water, so brace for impact. Whoa, looks good. So this is the one we are taking, although we still have reservations for pizzas. So small into this container so I can keep it in my freezer. This is not an ad or anything, but there's hardly any Nigerian home you will see this container. We don't throw it away. Oh, it goes into the freezer. So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is Thursday. This is Friday. These two glass cups here. So 5 days done and dusted. In fact, if you want to make it 6 days, safe is left to you. However you want it, whatever your style is. So yeah, done guys. So guys, this is it, healthy smoothie on a budget with just 500 naira, which is less than $2. And don't forget to actually take all of this and also replicate it in your own kitchen and drop it in the comment section below and let me know how helpful this is. Please click the subscribe button to join my family, and cheers guys.